Hello friends, the question is how we solve this exponential equation 2 to power x is equal to 5 to power x plus 2 that has different bases. So this is really simple. We can use different techniques to solve this uh, exponential equation. But the easiest way is simply by looking at this equation, I can see that I can break this 5 to power x plus 2 into 5 to power x into 5 to power 2 by the laws of exponents. So I can say that 2 to power x equal to 5 to power x into 5 to power 2. So now the thing is, you can either divide this whole equation by 2 to power x, or you can divide this whole equation by 5 to power x. That depends on you. If I divide this whole equation by 5 to power x, then it becomes 5 to power x divided by 5 to power x. So I can write this 2 to power x into 5 to power x as 2 over 5 whole to power x equal to this and this cancel out. So I will get 5 to power 2, that is simply 25. Now what you need to do is you need to just apply the log on both sides of this equation. So by applying log of with a base of 2 over 5 and 2 over 5 into x equal to log of base 2 over 5 into 25. Now see that this log 2 over 5 cancel out this 2 over 5. So we will get x equal to log 2 over 5 into 25. Now if you want to further solve this equation or this question from here, this is your first answer. Now if you want to solve this question further, what you can do is you can simply write this as log of 25 divided by log of 2 to power 5 by change of base formula. Now simply I can see that this 25 is 5 square. So I can write this as log of 5 square divided by the laws of logarithm, I can write this as log of 2 minus log of 5. So by the laws of logarithms, this is simply x equal to 2 into log of 5 divided by log of 2 minus log of 5. This is how you solve such questions with different bases. This is how it works. Thank you so much.